When things go bump in the night and crime on the rise, it's scary to think who may be lurking nearby. Do I have the best in-home security? Not to worry, because you've got the all-new IMILAB EC4. With 4 million pixels and a 2.5K image sensor, you'll have crystal clear clarity and won't miss any details. The EC4 has a 150-degree view angle, which sees more, like a lot more than the leading brand. The EC4 comes with an alarm and a spotlight that can be turned on automatically or manually. The EC4 can be fully charged in just 5 hours, or using the IMILAB solar panel, 365 days and still no outages. The IMILAB EC4 works in all different types of climates and is IP66 weatherproof. It still works, Lisa. One smart hub can connect up to 5 cameras. Talk about coverage, right? So everything is happening in real time. The EC4 has a live view function.
Oh, great. You can leave the package right there on the porch.
Oh, be right outside.
PIR and AI dynamic monitoring can distinguish people from pets to help reduce false alarms. Installation is simple. Just place the sticky mount virtually anywhere and set the cameras. Set your parameters to detect certain areas, such as the side gate or back door, which will trigger a sound and light alarm. The EC4 has multiple ways of storing your data, from cloud storage to your own personal media card. It also works with Alexa and Google. Have peace of mind, knowing you and your loved ones are safe. IMILAB EC4. View the smarter life.